Hello everyone, it's Brock with Peel Tech with another tech tip. So today the topic is File Explorer, and I want to talk about File Explorer because for me, and this is on a PC, this is really the window or the door into your computer. And I work with a lot of people who don't quite understand what I kind of say is the power of File Explorer, because it's for file management. It's for anything that you need to do with files, folders, programs, etc. So let's direct our attention here down to the very bottom of my screen, and you can see that this little icon down here in the system tray is looks like an old file, physical paper file. So that is File Explorer. And that's pretty much consistent down here when you set your computer up, etc. Everybody should have File Explorer down here in the system tray. So once you click that, you're going to end up here. Okay, some of it might be a little bit smaller. So here, you might probably open it up and it would look like this. So I like to make it big. So I go to the right-hand corner and that little square here, that makes it out to blows it out to full screen. So from here, I don't have a lot on here because this is my kind of my workbench computer, but you can see that. Let's look on the left-hand side. So from here, this is my OneDrive. Okay, so oftentimes you might see this condensed like that, but that little arrow, if you click that little arrow, it blows out all of the different folders that you get when you are on OneDrive. So most of the time these days, PCs do not default storing to the actual computer, right? These days, it's all defaulted to OneDrive. And I probably think that 99.9% of you are a part of the Office, Microsoft Office, and most of you will have this OneDrive on the left-hand side. And so this is kind of a little bit of a tutorial on OneDrive as well. But so File Explorer is the best place to navigate your files. And let's say, for example, that you get an email and there's an attachment on there that you want to open up. Let's say it's a PDF. So when you double click that PDF attachment, you're going to see that document show up down here in downloads. Okay. So anything that you have downloaded will show up here. And it's just a copy of whatever was on the email that was attached. So you can oftentimes just go through this every once in a while and delete things because most of the time, I would assume that you have that file. If you're interested in keeping it, you've got it saved somewhere, or you've got it stored maybe in a folder within Microsoft Outlook. So, but this is a great place, to come back if you are looking for a file or a download. Like right here, you can see that these are some two programs that I've downloaded that'll all be historically kept right here. So, also on the left-hand side, you can see that there are a couple other folders that Microsoft kind of defaults to. So there's one that has attachments, there's their desktop here, there's your documents here, Microsoft Copilot chat files. Some of you may or may not have this on here, and then your pictures, okay? So these are all the quick areas to get to stuff that are stored on your OneDrive. And so it's super helpful. So I become real familiar with File Explorer and use it to access any documents that you want or that you have saved within your working files. All right. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. Always here to help. Thanks.